Hello everyone, so today we're out doing a little bit of shopping for the house. We came up here to Phoenix to go to IKEA. They've been closed for the last like 2 months and there's been a lot of stuff that we've been wanting to get from here. But this parking lot is completely full and there's a huge line in front of the store, so we might be waiting for a little while. And also this town is one of the towns that's starting today in Arizona. It's required that you wear face masks and my husband didn't have one. So he's having to tie a bandana around his head. I like these countertops. Are these are cool.
I think this is what we're getting, but that'd be white for
yeah, that's kind of like what we want for our countertops a little bit.
living in a small place with you.
Oh, it would be fun. This place is only 400 square feet. Super cute how they have it set up. It actually seems roomy for only 400 square feet. I mean, you got a nice big bed, decent sized bathroom. I like that sink. These are cute. You like that? I like this little bamboo holder. You like the black countertop? I like this pink.
$6,000 for this countertop.
$6,000 for all this right here. Getting the plastic for the back porch. I think we're gonna have to get the 12 by 400. Okay, they're mixing up our exterior paint, and while they do that, we're gonna go back and get a new window. Jalen just grabbed a bigger cart. He got some blinds for the office windows. Okay, so this was the window that we had previously got to put in place the sliding doors, but we realized that it wasn't quite as high as we wanted, so we're gonna go with the 48-inch window. And I think that one will work. Okay, so before we put the desk together that we got from IKEA, I just wanted to do a quick little haul. I didn't get as much as I thought I would. They didn't have everything that I was looking for, so I just got a couple of things. I do need a lot of dish towels for the kitchen, so I got a couple packages of those. This one was only 79 cents, so I grabbed one of those. They had a whole bin of them. Grabbed a lint roller because we don't have one, and it was 79 cents. One of these for like scooping out pieces of pie and stuff. I've never owned one of these, and I've always wanted one, so I grabbed that. I think it was just like a couple dollars. This bath mat I think was like $7. It's a really big one, and it's super soft. We needed one of these for our master bathroom. I also got this at IKEA, and I love that it has the handle on the top instead of the side. This is the perfect size for my frying pan, and these are a must-have for any kitchen in my opinion. And then we've got some real exciting things from Lowe's here. We got some drywall screws, some DeWalt drill bit set, and then these little ones. We seem to be going through so many of these. These little plastic containers are so awesome when you're painting. Got some plastic for doing the outside of the house, and we also got a huge box of plastic as well that's outside that we're gonna use like on the back porch and stuff. And I did get a can of paint of this peppercorn by Sherwin-Williams, but that's outside as well. And we also got a new window from Lowe's. Like you guys saw, we had to get a bigger one. After we went into IKEA, I ran into Hobby Lobby really quickly. I had a couple couple of returns, and I also had a gift card, so all of those paid for this great big mirror that I got to put right here in this little cutout area. Ever since we started the renovations, I knew that I wanted to put a great big round black frame mirror into this little cutout right here. That's just always what I envisioned hanging in there. I was gonna get the one that they have at Target, but that one is only about 30 inches and it's $80. And this one from Hobby Lobby is almost 32 inches and I paid about $64.99 because it was on sale. The normal price was $129.99, but you never pay full price at Hobby Lobby because everything will go on sale at one point or another. And the mirrors go on sale 50% off every other week. Okay, so here is how the mirror looks. I was able to screw it right into a stud, so it is very secure, but it still really scared me to let go of it because it's so heavy. I like it, but it does feel a little bit small for the space, but I think it's just because it's so empty in here. Once I fill all of this up, I think it's gonna look a lot better. I plan on doing a really big, unique like entryway table in here with picture frames on it and some plants, different things like that. So yeah, we'll just leave it in here for a couple weeks, see what we think, and see what I think once I get a dresser in here with plants and pictures on. And I cannot wait to turn these sliding doors into a window. We're still waiting for our contractor to get an opening to come out here. He's so booked up right now. We got in contact with another contractor. They're really booked up too. So at this point, I don't know when we're ever gonna get a window in here. My husband is almost thinking of just trying to figure out how to do it himself. Okay, so we used to have this big horse canvas up above the fireplace on the mantle, but I've got some other ideas of stuff that I wanna put up there when I decorate the living room. So I decided to move it over here on this wall in the dining room. I think it will look good here, and I knew that I wanted to put a canvas on this wall because we've got these neat little lights that are shining onto the wall, so I wanted to have some type of canvas or picture that could be a feature on this wall with the light shining on it. Okay, I got the picture hung up. I think it looks awesome with these little lights shining on it. Originally, I was gonna get a canvas of like a painting of Arizona or something just to bring those colors in here, but I really love how this looks for now. We'll see, I'm always switching things out, but. Okay, so our plan for these desks was that we were going to get the Alex drawers from IKEA, the little dresser things. We were gonna put them and then have one of IKEA's, are they just called countertop? Yeah. One of those on top. There's a lot of people that do it like that online. But they were all sold out of all of the white Alex dressers. So we ended up having to get the Helmer little dresser things. They're like, what, 3 inches smaller, I think? So we're hoping that they're still gonna work because they're so much smaller, but it was all that they had and we didn't wanna pay $200 shipping on the IKEA website, so we're just gonna try to make this work. We grabbed some more of these blackout blinds from Lowe's. We put some of these in the boys' room, but the ones that we put in the boys' room were dark gray. They were all sold out of the dark gray and they only had these white ones left, and they call these white, but they're almost like a light gray color. And they are these Allen & Roth cordless blackout cellular shades. We really love these. They're great quality and they completely black out a room. We were going to do a corner desk right here in the corner, but now I think we decided we're gonna do my husband's desk like right here and then my desk here. So they still will kind of be in an L shape, but there'll be a space back there in the corner. Does this look like it's going to be complicated?
Not too bad.
Well, it looks like a lot of little pieces.
Yeah, it's just the drawers and everything.
Mm-hmm.
A file cabinet type of stuff.
I got the whole first one put together. That's a decent size. I think these will work.
Yeah, the only thing is they might be a little short. If they're short, we'll have to.
It doesn't come with any. How hard was this to put together? If somebody wants to buy one. Super easy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Easiest thing I've ever put together, actually.
Good.
I've never put together ones with, they had these little tabs, kind of like this.
Mm-hmm.
And they just go in together and you push them. I'll show you the next one.
Okay.
All race.
So these are, well, you've already put one together.
Lay that aside.
So you don't need instructions this time?
I don't think so. Okay, the little tabs. Okay, go up towards the top. So put that one right there. Now you're gonna lay your other one the same way with the tabs up towards the top. Grab these, okay?
Okay.
Take them like this. You're gonna slide in this little notch. Now it just drops down in there and look, it just goes click. There you go. And you do all of them like that.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Now you're gonna grab your other ones and do the same thing over here. Pick it up, pop. Next one, go like this. Slide it in, and pop. Now you're gonna lift this up, sit like this. You're gonna grab this one, you're gonna spin it like this. Go down in, and now pop. Hold like this, the flanges are in. Sits on that bottom piece there, and you see these little tabs right here?
Yeah.
So this thing, push and bend them in. Push and bend them in. And then up here, and taking a look at this. 90 degrees.
How do you walk it?
There. 90 degrees. Okay, grab one of these. Tabs slip into that little slot.
I'm starting to get my desk set up over here, and Jalen is getting his set up over here. These didn't quite turn out how we thought. I'll explain more about that later, but I got Jalen this for his birthday, and he was waiting to get it all set up with his computer until we got the new desk, so now he's excited that he's getting all this set up. He's mounting a screen on the wall. I'm getting all of my stuff organized in these drawers. I actually really like having a whole bunch of little drawers just because all of my stuff is so little, all the cords and everything, and it's nice just to have each item organized into a different drawer. And I might eventually take these off and spray paint them black just so that they'll match the rest of the house. We ended up having to screw this countertop onto these drawers, so my husband just screwed some small screws up right here up into the countertop just to help secure everything. And my husband did put a support on the wall underneath of the countertop just to help hold it up in the middle because it is so big. Unfortunately, I'm just going to have to end this video here. We don't have the office finished yet, and this video needs to go live in the morning, so I'm just going to go ahead and end it. And in my next home decorating video, I will show you guys the finished office, show you everything else that we did, so stay tuned for that. And stay tuned for more home renovation episodes and DIY videos that we've got coming out in the next couple of weeks. Be sure that you're subscribed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!